Changes in the constitution start from the first pages, which omit any possibility of the creation of an Islamist state. That's a stark rejection of Mohamed Morsi's vision of Egypt. Presidential powers also are clipped, still restricted to 2 four-year terms, but the president can no longer dissolve parliament, nor call referendums without parliament's approval. For some Egyptians, that's vital.
We have suffered from dictatorships for years, and this constitution puts it right. There's a new clause that gives parliament the powers to impeach the president. There's no absolute power now.
The powers of the military, though, remain entrenched. A military council gets to choose the defense minister, not the president. Military courts also can put on trial civilians for certain offenses, such as attacking military installations. For some Egyptians, that's worrying.
We reject this article. If I face a problem with the army, how can the military be an adversary and a judge at the same time? It will not be a fair trial.
The protection of human rights has been strengthened. All forms of aggression and torture are criminalized, and there's no time limit on seeking legal redress against perpetrators of such crimes. The forced migration of citizens is also made illegal. 247 articles full of complicated legal terminologies makes it difficult to grasp. A recent poll has shown that about 95% of Egyptians have not read the whole constitution. So, on what basis will people say yes or no to the document?
I watched the experts on TV. There are certain analysts whose point of view I trust. I also read some articles, but not all.
They were respectable judges and personalities on the Constitutional Committee. They will not do the same mistakes as before. I'm sure of that.
Egyptians have never rejected a constitution before. Experts say they don't expect that to change with this week's vote. But after the trauma of the Morsi era, Egyptians are desperately hoping they make the right decision this time. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.